The Power of Bioprocessing Manufacturing Biologics at Scale. Title: The Power of Bioprocessing Manufacturing Biologics at Scale. Introduction. Biologics have revolutionized the field of medicine, offering innovative treatments for diseases that were once considered untreatable. From monoclonal antibodies to recombinant proteins, biologics have emerged as a vital pillar of modern healthcare. However, their complex nature and the need for large-scale production present unique challenges. Enter bioprocessing, the key to manufacturing biologics at scale. In this article, we explore the power of bioprocessing and its impact on the production of biologics. Understanding biologics. Biologics refer to a class of therapeutic products derived from living organisms, such as proteins, antibodies, vaccines, and cell therapies. These molecules are intricately designed to target specific disease pathways or enhance the body's natural defense mechanisms. Unlike traditional small molecule drugs, biologics are typically larger, more complex, and require elaborate production methods. The inherent complexity of biologics, along with the need for stringent quality control, makes their manufacturing a challenging task. One of the primary challenges faced in biologics manufacturing is scalability. Moving from laboratory scale to commercial scale production requires careful optimization of process parameters, equipment, and resources. Bioprocessing plays a crucial role in overcoming these challenges and ensuring consistent and efficient manufacturing of biologics. The role of bioprocessing. Bioprocessing encompasses a diverse range of techniques and technologies used to manufacture biologics. It involves the integration of biology, engineering, and chemistry to optimize and streamline heat production processes. The primary goal is to achieve reliable and consistent yields of high-quality biologics. Upstream processes, such as cell culture, are a major focus of bioprocessing. This stage involves cultivating cells in bioreactors under controlled conditions, allowing them to proliferate and produce the desired therapeutic molecules. Bioprocess engineers work on developing scalable bioreactor systems, optimizing media formulations, and implementing advanced cell line engineering techniques to enhance productivity and yield. Downstream processing is another critical aspect of bioprocessing. Once the cells have produced the biologics of interest, they need to be purified and formulated into a final product suitable for clinical use. Various purification techniques, such as chromatography, filtration, and centrifugation, are employed to isolate and purify the target molecules while removing impurities. Bioprocessing Experts continually refine and innovate these purification methods to improve yield, efficiency, and yield robustness. Automation and advanced technologies. Bioprocessing has witnessed significant advancements in recent years, largely driven by automation and the adoption of advanced technologies. Automated platforms and high-throughput systems have revolutionized the production of biologics. These systems allow for tight process control, real-time monitoring, and higher productivity while reducing human error and contamination risks. Process analytical technology, PAT, including inline sensors, real-time monitoring, and data analytics, has also played a pivotal role in improving process understanding and performance. PAT enable bioprocess engineers to make informed decisions, optimize process parameters, and troubleshoot issues promptly, resulting in better product quality and higher yields. Advantages of bioprocessing. The power of bioprocessing lies in its ability to overcome challenges associated with manufacturing biologics at scale. Some key advantages include: 1. Scalability. Bioprocessing techniques are designed to seamlessly translate laboratory-scale processes to large-scale production, ensuring consistent and reliable yields. 2. Process optimization. Through careful optimization of process parameters, bioprocessing enhances productivity, reduces costs, and improves overall efficiency. 3. Quality control. Bioprocessing techniques enable quality control at various stages, ensuring the final product meets stringent regulatory requirements and maintains efficacy and safety. 4. Flexibility. Bioprocessing allows for the production of different types of biologics, accommodating the diverse needs of patients and healthcare providers. Bioprocessing has emerged as a critical component in the production of biologics at scale. The complex nature of these therapeutic products requires careful optimization and integration of biology, engineering, and chemistry. Through bioprocessing, the challenges associated with manufacturing biologics can be overcome, ensuring consistent and efficient production. One of the primary challenges in biologics manufacturing is scalability. Moving from laboratory scale to commercial scale production requires careful optimization of various factors. Bioprocessing techniques enable this scalability by optimizing process parameters, equipment, and resources. Engineers in this field focus on developing scalable bioreactor systems, improving media formulations, and implementing advanced cell line engineering techniques to enhance productivity and yield. Downstream processing, which involves purification and formulation, is another critical aspect of bioprocessing. Purification techniques such as chromatography, filtration, and centrifugation are employed to isolate and purify the target molecules while removing impurities. Bioprocessing experts continually refine and innovate these techniques to improve yield, efficiency, and robustness. The advancement of automation and adoption of advanced technologies have revolutionized bioprocessing. Automated platforms and high-throughput systems allow for tighter process control, real-time monitoring, and increased productivity. These advancements reduce human error and contamination risks, leading to improved product quality. Process analytical technology, PAT, has also played a significant role in optimizing bioprocessing. Inline sensors, real-time monitoring, and data analytics provide valuable insights into the process, enabling engineers to make informed decisions and troubleshoot issues promptly. This results in better product quality and higher yields. The advantages of bioprocessing are manifold. Scalability is achieved through techniques specifically designed to translate laboratory-scale processes to large-scale production. This ensures consistent and reliable yields of high-quality biologics. Process optimization reduces costs, improves overall efficiency, and enhances productivity. Bioprocessing also enables stringent quality control at various stages of production. This ensures that the final product meets regulatory requirements and maintains efficacy and safety. The flexibility of bioprocessing allows for the production of different types of biologics, accommodating the diverse needs of patients and healthcare providers. The power of bioprocessing in manufacturing biologics at scale cannot be understated. Biologics, which include therapeutic products derived from living organisms, have become a cornerstone of modern Healthcare. These complex molecules require intricate production methods, making their manufacturing a challenging task. Bioprocessing, however, offers a solution to these challenges. Bioprocessing involves the integration of biology, engineering, and chemistry to optimize and streamline the production processes of biologics. It encompasses both upstream and downstream processes. Upstream processes like cell culture and cell line development are focused on increasing productivity and yield. Bioprocess engineers work on developing scalable bioreactor systems, optimizing media, formulations, and implementing advanced cell line engineering techniques. Downstream processing involves the purification and formulation of biologics into a final product suitable for clinical use. Purification techniques like chromatography, filtration, and centrifugation are employed to isolate and purify the target molecules while removing impurities. Bioprocessing experts continue to refine these purification methods to improve yield, efficiency, and yield robustness. The advancement of automation and the adoption of advanced technologies have greatly contributed to the progress in bioprocessing. Automated platforms and high-throughput systems have revolutionized the production of biologics, allowing for tighter process control, real-time monitoring, and higher productivity. These systems also reduce human error and contamination risks. Process Analytical Technology, PAT, has also played a pivotal role in improving bioprocessing. Inline sensors, real-time monitoring, and data analytics provide valuable insights into the process, enabling bioprocess engineers to make informed decisions and optimize process parameters. This results in better product quality and higher yields. The advantages of bioprocessing are numerous. Scalability is a key advantage, as bioprocessing techniques are designed to seamlessly translate laboratory-scale processes to large-scale production. Th.